Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Google Play unavailable problem. So as you can see, it says Google Play Music is no longer available. It is basically happening because YouTube Music is replacing Google Play Music. That is why you will have to transfer your data towards YouTube Music. But it is still, if you still want to use the old Google Play Music, it is still possible. I'm going to be showing you that in a second, but first let me show you how to use the newer Google Play Music, which is basically YouTube Music from now. So you'll have to download YouTube Music app and then sign in from the same account that you had in your Google Play Music, and the data should be pretty much the same, and yeah, all of your music data will be there. So let me choose between one of these Google accounts. You should be signed into your YouTube Music, and as you can see, all your playlists, all your albums, all your songs, the artist, every data is going to be saved here, as you can see, and you can still play the music that you had on your Google Play account. But for the people who don't want to use the new YouTube Music, there is still a method, and it is by going into Google and downloading the older version of Google Play Music. So first of all, search Play Music up to down, basically, which means version up to down. Go down and you'll see this link. Click on this link, and finally once you go click on this button here, you will see the versions. Download 8.21.8170, and there it is, and click on the file and install the older version of Google Play Music. Once it has been installed, open your Google Play, and you can see it's working all fine, and it is working just how it used to work. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this. And with that being said, thank you for watching.